Good morning. Welcome to the morning bulletin of AMN News. Today's segment is about natural disasters. The country we picked today is Indonesia.
Maluku, an archipelago located in Indonesia, known as the land of spices, was hit by an earthquake of magnitude 7.5 to 7.6, which struck offshore near the Tanimbar Islands, Maluku, Indonesia, at a depth of 105.1 kilometers on January 10th. The epicenter was at 7.37 degrees south latitude and 130.23 degrees east longitude, or in the sea at 136 kilometers northwest of west-southeastern Maluku and a depth of 130 kilometers.
Before getting into earthquakes, we need to know a little bit more about tectonic plates. This scientific theory, solidifying in the 1960s, helped explain many geological features of the world, like earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain building events. Earthquakes are the result of stored energy in the crust of the earth. This is exactly the cause of the earthquake in Maluku.
Indonesia is an earthquake-prone nation with over 8.26 thousand earthquakes occurring per year. This situation comes up due to the position of Indonesia in the boundary of three major tectonic plates: the Indo-Australian plate, the Eurasian plate, and the Pacific plate. The Indo-Australian plate has a tendency to move to the north, causing a subduction zone below the Eurasian plates. Meanwhile, the Pacific plate moves relatively to the west.
Like all the other earthquakes, Maluku's earthquake is also the result of the interference in moving of the plates. The Maluku Islands are in the east of Indonesia. They are located in the Halmahera Plate within the Molucca Sea.
The quake was felt as far as Darwin, capital of Australia's Northern Territory. Here's some footage we received from our sources as well as some pictures. This is a footage of the tremors felt from the Indonesia earthquake up till northern Australia. We can see that houses have fallen, people are homeless, and innocent lives have been lost. We have seen how horribly the area has been affected and has had a huge impact on the people of Maluku Islands.
A diver was killed after being struck by rocks and coral during a dive. However, the BNPB said the person did not die during the earthquake, nor was it related.
4 others were slightly injured. 15 houses collapsed and 523 others sustained light to heavy damage in the Tanimbar Islands. In the neighbouring Southwest Maluku Regency, 344 houses and several schools were damaged, 39 of them severely. At least 7 residents were also injured there.
At least 2 schools, 7 health facilities, 12 churches, and 8 government buildings were also affected. In Selaru, 3 houses sustained repairable damages, while the wall of a high school collapsed. Electricity was also disrupted. In South Central Timor Regency, about 300 meters was severely cracked and buckled after the earthquake, affecting transport and blocking access to 5 villages. In total, around 400 people were left homeless by the earthquake.
The earthquake was felt as far away as East Timor and Northern Australia. Reports of the quake described it as being a strong and long-lasting tremor, with some people saying that their whole house was shaking and that they could hear the earth rumbling.
As you can see, this earthquake has devastated the citizens of Maluku. If you wish to help and support them, please contact the number shown on the screen. That's it for the morning bulletin. Thank you.